You know, when I first saw you, I never imagined we'd be standing here together like this.
And I never imagined you'd be patient enough to wait for me to find myself.
Loving you taught me patience. Not everything beautiful comes quickly.
Remember when things were tough and you wanted to give up?
You told me, let's build slowly, but build well. That sentence saved us.
And you reminded me that partnership means carrying each other when one is tired.
You two look peaceful. Hold on to that.
Peace comes from choosing each other every day.
Even when it's hard.